Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Buzz 2.0. Friends, today we are going to discuss about some civil engineering MCQ type question which is asked in SSC JEE and helpful for RRB JEE, Rajasthan JEE and any upcoming civil JEE level exam. Friends, let's start. Question number 1 is the construction joints in cement concrete. Option number should not be provided at the corner. Option number B should be placed at a distance of 3 meters apart in case of huge structure. Should be located where shear force is 0. D should be located where bending moment is 0. The right answer of this question is option number A, should not be provided at the corner. Friends, here is explanation. The construction joint in cement concrete should not be provided at the corner. Should not be provided at the corner are provided where bending moment and shear force are small, where the member is supported by other member, at 18 meter apart in huge structure, in concrete walls at sill level of the window. Friend, note these points. This point is very important for any exam. Second number question is green concrete may be made by adding. Green concrete may be made by adding. Right answer is iron oxide. Third number question, the Indian standard mix design for fly ash and cement concrete recommended water content. Option number A is to increase by 3 to 5%. Option number B to reduce by 15%. Option number C increase by 15% to option number D to reduce by 3 to 5%. The right answer is option number D, to reduce by 3 to 5%. Here is explanation. The fly ash replaced the cement with about 20 to 30% and also reduced the water demand of 3 to 5% with low heat of hydration. Fourth number question is coefficient of wind resistance. Coefficient of wind resistance of a circular surface is. Right answer is option number D, 1 by 2. For rectangular and square surface, wind resistance coefficient is 1. 5 number question is the base width of retaining wall of height h is generally taken as b is equal to. Right answer is option number C, 0.64 h. 0.6 h. 6th number question is the steel beam of light section. The steel beam of light section placed in plain cement concrete are called. Right answer is option number A, filler joist. 7 number question is for building project estimate, which method is generally used in PWD? PWD, full form of PWD is Public Works Department. Then right answer is this question is option number A, long wall and short wall method. 8 number question is harbor model are based on the following law. That means which law is applied on harbor model? The right answer is option number A, fraud law. Friends, this question is very important, so please remember this question and answer also. Next is 9 number question, the shape of the stop sign according to IRC 67/2001 is. Friend, the right answer is option number D, octagonal. Friend, in road we see that there is this type of sign and here stop. 10 number question is which of the following tax generally not applicable to residential building is. Option number A is municipal tax, option number B is property tax, option number C is sales tax and option number D is wealth tax. The right answer of this question is option number C, सेल्स टैक्स, विक्रय कर जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में. 11 number question is the compressive strength of common building brick should not be less than. Option number A is 3.5 Newton per mm square. Option number B is 5.5 Newton per mm square. Option number C is 7.5 Newton per mm square. And option number D is 10.5 Newton per mm square. The right answer of this question is option number A, 3.5 Newton per mm square. Friends, here is explanation. If in the question tell about second class brick, then answer is 7.5 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट क्लास ब्रिक के लिए 10.5 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. ए क्लास ब्रिक के लिए शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 40 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. एवरेज की बात की जाए फिर अगर क्वेश्चन में एवरेज कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ पूछ दी जाए तो 5.5 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन इज ए कॉलम स्प्लाइसेस इज यूज टू इंक्रीज. जो कॉलम स्प्लाइसेस होते हैं फ्रेंड उसे किस लिए यूज करते हैं. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कॉलम. ऑप्शन नंबर बी द रिजिडिटी ऑफ द कॉलम. ऑप्शन नंबर सी द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ द कॉलम. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉलम. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉलम. जनरली वी यूज कॉलम स्प्लाइसेस टू इंक्रीज द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉलम. 13 number question is Francis turbine is option number A reaction turbine, option number B an impulse turbine, option number C a tangential flow impulse turbine, and option number D an axial flow turbine. The right answer of this question is option number A reaction turbine. 14 number question, the minimum recommended diameter of sewer is. The right answer is option number C 150 mm. फ्रेंड अगर क्वेश्चन में मैक्सिमम डायमीटर सीवर की पूछी जाए तो वो 300 mm होती है. 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन, टू प्रिवेंट सेग्रीगेशन द मैक्सिमम हाइट फॉर प्लेसिंग कंक्रीट इज. ऑप्शन नंबर ए 100 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 125 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 150 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन नंबर डी 200 सेंटीमीटर. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी 150 सेंटीमीटर. फ्रेंड्स, if we talk about in many places we got 100 centimeter answer, but it is wrong. I can explain you. If according to IS 456 1978, then 100 centimeter, and if according to IS 456 2000, right answer is 150 centimeter. 16 number question is very comfortable type of stair for usage is. Right answer is option number C open navel. फ्रेंड, ओपन नेवल क्या होता है आपको बताता हूँ मैं. जब कोई स्टेयर देखिए ऐसे जाके जब यह टर्न करता है फिर ऐसे आता है, तो जो इनके बीच की यहाँ पे जैसे मान लिया जाए यहाँ पे लैंडिंग है, यहाँ पे ऐसे गया है, तो ये जो ओपनिंग है इसे बोलते हैं ओपन नेवल. 17 number question, the concrete cubes are prepared, cured and tested according to Indian standard code number. Right answer is IS 516. 18 number question, a work costing rupees 20,000 is termed as. Then right answer is option number A petty work. If greater than 2 lakhs of cost, then the work is called major works. If it is between the range of rupees 50,000 to 2 lakh, then it is termed as minor work, and if less than 50,000, then it is termed as petty work. 19 number question, which of the following type of lime is used for plastering and whitewashing. Friend, when in the question whitewashing is given, then the right answer is option number D fat lime, and if we only talk about plastering, then answer goes to hydraulic lime. 20 number question is pick up the item of work not included in the plinth area estimate. प्लिंथ एरिया एस्टिमेट में कौन सी एरिया इंक्लूड नहीं होती? ऑप्शन नंबर ए वॉल थिकनेस, ऑप्शन नंबर बी रूम एरिया, ऑप्शन नंबर सी वेरांडा एरिया, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कोर्टयार्ड एरिया. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी कोर्टयार्ड एरिया. प्लिंथ एरिया एक्सप्लेनेशन फ्रेंड. प्लिंथ एरिया एस्टिमेट इज कैलकुलेटेड फॉर द कवर्ड एरिया बाय टेकिंग एक्सटर्नल डायमेंशन ऑफ द बिल्डिंग at the floor level. Courtyard area is not included in the plinth area estimate. फ्रेंड्स, ये थे हमारे कुछ सम इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.